On today's body cam we're checking out, she couldn't talk her way out of this.
On June 3rd, 2025, an officer on patrol observes a vehicle reported stolen and decides to conduct a felony-style stop.
Don't stop. Let me see your hands.
What did I do?
Get on the floor.
What did I do?
Get on the floor.
What did I do?
Get on the floor.
Cosby.
All the way down. On the floor now. All the way down.
What did I do, sir?
One female gunpoint. All the way on the ground now.
What did I do?
All the way on the ground right now.
On the ground?
All the way. I don't care that it's wet.
ground?
All the way on the ground.
Can you please repeat
Hands
this?
out. Hands out to your side.
What did I do?
Hands out to your side. Do not move.
What did I do?
15 out for 3, one female gunpoint.
Cosby! Call chaos!
Do not move.
What did I do, sir?
I'll explain everything to you. Just don't move. I'm waiting for backup.
Why you treat me like this, like?
I'm waiting for backup. You'll get an explanation. Just wait. Just wait.
Please.
No, don't approach.
Please.
Stand up slowly.
Anybody else in the car?
No.
Okay, hold on. Let me just flank.
Please, you guys, there's nobody in the car.
Okay, let me grab.
I am a female. Like, you guys are scared.
Stand up for me.
I'm not.
Stand up for me, young lady. Okay, just stand up.
Why do ladies always say that? I am a female. Is that what does that mean? Does that mean you're supposed to be treated differently?
For me. If you don't listen to me, I'm gonna come to you. So I need you to stand up for me.
Why y'all have y'all guns on me?
Because we don't know yet. I need you to stand up.
I'm a female.
Okay, put your hands up in the air. Turn around for me. And walk backwards towards him. Walk back. Everything is recorded. Just back up.
No,
Come
I'm
on.
talking to them back there.
Okay, come on.
Cosby, fuck.
Keep coming back.
Come on, young lady.
What did I do?
I'll explain everything to you right now. You are just being detained, okay?
What did I do?
One female in custody standing by.
All right, young lady. We're going to talk to you for a second, okay? Just come on this side.
Sir, please. I have a baby. Like, please.
Stay in the car.
I have a baby, please.
Okay, we'll figure something out for you.
No,
Don't
you don't
worry.
understand. Like, I have a kid. I'm all he has. Please
Okay.
don't do me like this. This is
That's fine,
embarrassing.
young lady. You okay? That's what I'm saying. Just stay right here.
Please, sir. Like, you understand. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old. No, like, you
You
understand.
okay?
You all he has. Where the hell are the fathers? You got a 3-year-old and a 10-year-old.
As long as you
It's very
comply, you're
scary for
okay.
me.
Just lean up against the car for me right now. I'm not going to pat you down. Just sit in the car,
I
okay?
don't have anything. I do
That's
have
fine.
my firearm in the car.
Okay, that's
in
fine.
my name.
Have a seat for me.
I am,
You scoot in.
I'm not a
This way I can watch my partner, okay? Put you.
Can I get my phone?
I'll get everything for you. All right, go. We got another body. I got passenger.
Harrisville being held 10.
Which is crazy because she lied in the beginning when she was on the ground. She said there's nobody else in the car, which is clearly a lie.
Clearing vehicle.
I got center. Yeah. You want to pop the trunk?
Lower your window.
I got it. Hey, they do anything stupid, you know what to do. Clear. Good, clear. Alpha 71, you get to the vehicles.
Oh, so the car is clear. So who the hell? Who is she talking to?
Area 10 to resume normal. The vehicle has been cleared out, and I need a unit to confirm the tag number.
Oh, these
15
people?
Alpha 71, tag is going to be.
Open your window, please. How you doing? I can't see you. It's tinted. That's why. I know you're recording, but I don't know what's in your hand. That's why.
I wasn't.
I don't know what's in your hand. That's why. All right? You're fine. Thank you very much.
Who was she yelling at? Call this.
Yo, Signal 0.
Yeah, she advised.
She had one in the car.
Oh, okay.
1097 at 1900 hours.
You can step out, young lady. Yeah, we explain everything to you. Come on.
Please, like, this is crazy. Those guns are in my name. Those
That's
are
not
legal.
the issue. How would I know you had a gun until you told me? So
Because
come outside and give me a chance to explain. All you're doing is just getting upset and talking.
Because
So
you
chill
guys
out
are
for a
throwing me on the
second.
floor in front of
Nobody threw you anywhere. You lay
I'm just
down.
saying, like,
Okay,
in
but that's a
front of
very
everybody,
bold
it's not-
statement that you're making.
I'm not
What I'm
trying to
saying
do that.
is-
Like, don't do that, please.
I'm
not trying
not.
to
You
give
said
you guys
it.
problems. Like,
What
don't.
I'm saying is there's a reason why we're here. Okay? Once we figure everything out, we will explain everything
Is it
to
about
you.
my car?
I don't know yet. We're gonna figure something out. But right now, I'm gonna need you to sit in this car, make sure the AC's on for you,
Can I get
everything's
my
good.
phone and at
We'll
least
get you
call
everything. You
somebody,
cannot touch
please?
anything right now.
This is
This is the best thing you gotta do. You're gonna be right here watching. Go ahead, have a seat. Thank you, young lady. Appreciate you. You stay in this community? Or no?
I used to live over here.
Okay, so I mean, you parked in a spot. You come to see someone, like a friend? Okay, cool. That's fine. What's your first name?
This is my car.
Okay, that's all. I'm just asking. I don't know. I'll get you more information as I get it, okay?
Does she? I didn't see it.
Hey, do they want to hold on it? Yes. Curious about her vocation. Muscle relaxing. Back with him.
755
Is her name on it? Yeah. Makeup.
Please just make a call.
So here's what's going on. We can't. There's some confusion coming back to your vehicle. That's all I know.
I know what's going on.
I don't.
I financed the car through someone. I did everything I was supposed to do. You know the car people, they do their own things to make their sales. It's like they're trying to sit there and blame me for that. That's not my fault. Like, I went through the proper things. Everything was in my name. You get what I'm saying? I gave them my physical ID, everything. And when I left the dealership, they told me I got approved for a loan. You get what I'm saying? When I went through the guy, they had originally applied for the application for me, pretty much. Like you know how they usually, you know how car dealerships are these days. You get what I'm saying? I don't work at a car dealership, so I wouldn't know. I had so many cars. You get what I'm saying? I got in a car accident. That's why I don't have a car. So I ended up going through this new person down there. I don't even live down there, so you know I had to get referred by somebody. You get what I'm saying? So I went there to get a car. They told me, okay, the loan didn't get approved, so I had to drive the car back down there. I told her at the time I have all the text messages and everything. I never denied communication with these people or anything. I asked them if they could tow the car originally. So today was like my first day being out from when I had the hernia. Not the hernia, the hemorrhoid. You get what I'm saying? Because I had a surgery back in January that almost took my life. And I guess I dealt with some complications after that. So I kept texting her, the messages in my phone and everything, let her know, like, please don't take me to jail because of this. Like, I'm not running from no one. I'm not in no harm. I don't ride around. I'm not hiding from nobody. I'm not no criminal. Like, I have a kid out here. Those people know what they did, and it's like they stole my whole $2,000 and everything. You get what I'm saying? I paid a down payment to get this car. Like, I didn't steal this car from them. They know that, and it's because they know I have a kid. Everything is legit. All my gun, that's in my name. It's nothing under it, nothing I'm writing it. It's not loaded. It's concealed in a holster. Like, I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing. You get what I'm saying? I was confused at first because I'm like, what the, like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I spoke to them. I told them if they could tow the car originally today, I was gonna bring the car back to them. I even have text messages where I was telling the guy who referred me to them that I'm gonna bring the car back to them. I was in the process of trying to get another car because I can't go without a car. I just lost $2,000 from these people.
Yeah, but if everything is legit, why are you going to be bringing the car back to them? Like, that part doesn't even sound right. Like, honestly, and I don't know, because I haven't done it like that in a while. Like, as far as, damn, how many cars have I had? Yeah, my first 2 cash, third one loan, fourth one loan, and then cash after that. Yeah, damn. But the third car that I had, the first time I ever got a car loan, I went to the car dealership and they run your credit 1,000 times, you know, and then they oh, you've been approved through this bank, right? Whatever, right? Boom, right? Because they trying to find you the best rate, yada yada. Okay. So then, you know, you don't want to do it like that. Like, you don't want to do it like that. You want to already have, you know, you want to go meet with them, you know, see whatever, you know, what cars you looking at, yada, yada, whatever. And then you want to go get an approval from your bank prior, you know, whether it's your bank or a credit union or whatever. You want to do it on your own. Don't have them car dealerships running your crap 1,000 times. Nah, you want to, a bank that you already got a relationship with. Boom. Hey, I'm trying to get this loan. Hey, how much would y'all, you know, how much am I good for? You know what I'm saying? They're going to tell you, you know what I'm saying? They're going to tell you whatever the amount be, you know, whatever. 20,000, 15,000, 40,000, whatever. You know what I'm saying? They go, all right, you good. Go shop around, you know, and then you go, now you shopping around, yada, yada. And then you go get the certified check or whatever. You go get your check. They make it out to and then that's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. You don't go to them car dealerships and they run your thing 1,000 times. Nah, hell nah, man. Hell nah. You don't do it like that, man.
Before then, I went to a dealership, bought a Mercedes-Benz, $3,500 down, lost the down payment. I can show you all that. So I'm not gonna lie, like I wasn't trying to do anything wrong. You get what I'm saying? I'm just in the process of trying to get another one. So I wouldn't be without a car. I didn't do anything wrong.
How do you lose the down payment though? This is the part that I'm not understanding though.
I hear you. I appreciate you saying that.
I know.
Let me talk to them and see what we got.
Tweaks, yes, to get the car, but I did not tell them to do that. They did that on their own behalf, and I told her, and it's in text messages. Your salesman is the one who originally got me the car, and I only had to sign the paperwork. I didn't have to put
10-4, just advice.
I didn't have to put no personal information down. They already put what they had, and when I came and I gave them the money, and I still just signed the contract. That was it. That was it. I didn't sign no application or nothing myself. So them people are lying. And I have everything in text message. That lady texted me from her personal life. The only reason I got upset is because I kept telling her I wasn't going to. She kept harassing me. I'm like, ma'am, you know, I gave you the chance. I can even show you where I called AAA, and AAA came at 2 a.m. in the morning, and I was asleep. I can show you everything in my phone, and there's no reason for me to lie. Those people stole my money, and then they tried to tell me, oh, bring the car back. But I told her already. I said, you guys can tow the car. I even had someone else, the guy who referred me, call the salesman and tell them to tow the car and everything. Oh, no, you need to bring it back. You're just being nasty, you get what I'm saying? After you already have my money that you took from me, I signed a paper that says I'm renting it for $50 a day if it didn't get approved. That was never part of the deal, because when I drove off, you guys told me I was approved for that car.
Okay.
Yeah, that sounds like shady business on both ends.
They called me back afterwards trying to switch everything up. You know what I'm saying? Like,
okay, hang tight for me. Let me find out more. Just chill out. Let me figure out what's going on, okay? Thank you. I got you. Not yet right now. I'll let you know. Going off for case discussion.
They gave me the tracker at 6:20 p.m. At 6:30 the dealership closes. So the last hit when I got here 2 days ago to look for it, the car was already gone. She doesn't stay here very long. She comes in, picks somebody up and leaves, and then goes down to like Hollywood and shit. So I've just been waiting for it to hit the PR again. It hit 30 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago on Bailey and Rock Island.
Just tow it. Recover it and tow it.
And I'm gonna let her go. I'm not gonna charge her with it because it's her car. I can't charge her with the fraud portion of it because I don't have the fraud case. You don't have the details.
It's entered in as a 10.
It's entered in as a 10, but it's per car. It's registered to her.
Yeah, entered it. It's
if they put it in
dealership.
Yeah. It's entered as a 10, purchased under fraudulent means in the notes, is what she said.
I'm gonna let let those deputies deal with that because you're not going to be able to take anything with you to jail. Yes, ma'am. The detectives from Delray are going to come down and talk to you. As of right now, no. I have your phone, so when we're done with everything, I'll let you get a couple numbers. The vehicle was reported as stolen. Yes. Yes, you're gonna, like I said, Delray's gonna come talk to you because they're the ones that reported it as stolen, so they're gonna come down and talk to you.
The woman was charged with grand theft auto and possession of a firearm during commission of a felony. Thanks for watching Body.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.